Hodges,
And your date of birth?
12/24/99.
Caleb, is it okay if we record for educational purposes?
Of course.
Alright. So today what I'm trying to do is listen to your lungs. I want to make sure the air is flowing correctly, make sure I don't hear any weird sounds. That's going to require me to use the stethoscope. I'm going to touch your back, your chest, your stomach area. Is that okay?
Mhm.
Alright. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be listening to the apical segments of the upper lobe on the right and the left, and it's going to be superior to the clavicle. So you take a deep breath through your mouth. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the upper lobe on the right and the left. That's going to be inferior to the clavicle. Breathe in. Okay. Next, I'm going to be listening to the middle lobe on the right and the lingula on the left to find the xiphoid process and go lateral to that. Breathe in. And lastly, we're going to do the basal segment on the lower lobe on the anterior side. So I'm going to find the xiphoid process and go down the lower ribs on the lateral side over here. Okay, breathe in. Breathe in. Just turn around for me. I'm going to do the apical side on the posterior for the upper lobe on the right and the left. That's going to run along the trap, or it's superior to the spine of the scapula. Breathe in. Breathe in. Now I'm doing the posterior upper lobe. I'm going to find T3, also the spine of the scapula. We're going to go there. Breathe in. And the left side. Breathe in. Okay. Now I'm going to do the superior lower lobe. I'm going to find it's in between T3 and T7. And also look at the inferior border. We're going to go right there. All right, breathe in. Breathe in. Okay. And now we're going to do the basal on the lower lobe and the posterior side. So I'm going to find the inferior border. We're going to go right underneath, just about around T10. Breathe in. Breathe in. Okay. And now same thing on the lateral basal, inferior border, and more laterally. Breathe in. Breathe in. Caleb, everything sounds great. You've got healthy lungs, and thank you for your time.